Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Source Express, and today we're finishing up a walk-in cooler and walk-in freezer. It's used that the customer wanted. We were able to find some panels and put them together. So here, give me 1 second here. Here is the walk-in cooler. You can see the condenser up on top. That's a water sprinkler. And this is the evaporator coil. We put a drain pump, condensate drain pump. Because there's no drain in here. It shoots it out somewhere else. But it turned out very well. The customer's happy. I think it's like a 6x8. And then this is the freezer. That's a condenser on top. The equipment is new. We're installing the door heater. It broke, the one that originally had. So that's the, it has a floor. Freezers need floors. That's the evaporator coil for the condenser. See the drain line there? It's got a heat tape on the drain line to keep it nice and warm. That way the water doesn't clog up. But everything turned out well, working. So call us for our air conditioning, heat, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. This is an Indian restaurant, and the name will be
Bailey Indian Restaurant.
Here in Round Rock, Texas. Best Indian food in town, and they will open up more or less around the end of December, beginning of January.
Yes.
And their address is
3200 Green Lawn Boulevard, Suite 280. That's in Round Rock, Texas.
and the phone number is
Gonna be 512-734-3200.
So we'll see you guys here. They have other restaurants around here as well. The food is awesome. I've been doing work for them for about 7 years now, and been eating food as well for about 7-8 years. Nice people, really good food. So we'll see you guys here. Again, call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, and best Indian food in town here in Round Rock. And the name of the business will be
Bayleaf Indian Restaurant.
Bayleaf Indian Restaurant. Okay, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.